let me show you how to make strike-through text in WhatsApp. Now, if you're in WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android and you want to strike through some text as you're typing it, I'll show you how to do it. The first thing we're going to do is close out of the WhatsApp app and then open it back up again. Again, this works the exact same on your iPhone or Android. Let's go to a conversation. Let's say just this one with myself. Now, you're first just going to type out that message that you want to strike through, and then we'll add the strike through. So I'm just going to say, hi, how are you? And now I'm going to type in tap on the 1, 2, 3 at the bottom left. And then you can see above the ABC is the hashtag plus equal symbol. Let's tap on that. You'll get to more symbols here, and there is a code to be able to add that strike through. It's the tilde symbol. So that tilde symbol is kind of the wavy line right next to the vertical line here. So tap on that. But keep in mind, you need to add it to the very end of it as well as the very beginning. So I'm going to take my finger and just swipe all the way over to the beginning and type that tilde symbol again. Now you can see it immediately strikes through. However, keep in mind, you don't want to send these tildes, but you don't need to delete them. Even if you hit the send button, it will automatically remove those little tildes from the beginning and end and just have the strike through text. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.